don't try any of the stunts that you're about to see at home.
We're trained professionals. We don't mess up or get hurt.
Oh, God.
Get up! Oh, God. Oh, God. Please enjoy the show.
Like we were saying, don't try this at home.
Oh, my God!
Dude, it's so hot. It's just like, PAH!
Oh crap, Tybalt's here. He's gonna start something.
No, let's go ahead and take it.
Yo, Chief, where's Romeo?
What are you on my home, Sunny Slope scum?
Yo, man, he hurt me. Where is he?
Hey, Mercutio, don't start something.
Huh?
No need. That's my man now.
Tybalt, how's it going?
How dare you try and woo me? Do you know what you've done?
What did I do?
You have defiled my campus. You mess with the Vikings. You mess with me. Let's go, you pansy.
Peace be with you. I have no part of this.
That'll teach you. Start something. Yo, let's go. You know what? Yo, let's take care of this like real men.
Come on!
Romeo, stop them.
Fuck that! Fine, I'll do it myself.
What are you talking about? I didn't kill him. You killed him.
What happened here?
Tybalt came and then assaulted Romeo. Then Mercutio came to defend Romeo's honor. Then Romeo killed Tybalt.
From what I can see right here, we're going to have to expel Romeo.
I have orders to escort you off premises. You're out of here now. Do you understand that?
I'm recording. Get him. Get him.
God damn it, no, don't get me!
Oh, yeah. I thought you were dead.
Exciting, isn't it?
I thought you were dead.
Now.
Shortcut.